Pornographic content case accused businessman Raj Kundra was released from Arthur Jail Road on Tuesday. Raj Kundra on Monday secured bail at a surety of Rs 50,000 after spending 60 days in jail. Actress Shilpa Shetty Kundra on Tuesday posted a motivational note on social media. Shilpa posted a picture of herself in yoga pose along with the quote, "Our greatest glory is not in never failing, but in rising every time we fall." Confucius. Alongside the post, Shilpa wrote, "There are always going to be moments that push you to the ground. In times like these, I truly believe that if you fall 7 times, make yourself strong enough to be able to stand back up 8 times. This rise will demand a lot of courage, grit, willpower, and strength during some of your most difficult moments, but these qualities will only make you more resilient and robust in this journey called life. Every time that you rise back up, you will come back with renewed determination and motivation to make even the impossible possible." The Mumbai Sessions Court granted bail to Kundra and his co-accused Ryan Thorpe, both nabbed on July 19, 6 days after the Mumbai Police Crime Branch on September 15 filed a 1400-page supplementary charge sheet, naming them as among the prime accused. Soon afterwards, Kundra, the husband of Bollywood actress Shilpa Shetty, and Thorpe moved the Sessions Court for bail, pointing out that since the charge sheet has been filed, it signals an end to the police investigations. Moreover, arguing on grounds of parity, they contended that after the first charge sheet was filed against 9 accused earlier, 8 were already enlarged on bail. Kundra further stated that he was associated with the company which owned the apps Hotshot and Polyfame for only 10 months, and remaining in jail exposed him to the risk of COVID-19 infection. The porn case was busted by Malwani police in Malad West after raiding a bungalow where pornographic content was being shot in a bungalow, and the FIR was lodged on February 5 against 5 accused. Later, after 5-month probe, Kundra and Thorpe were also arrested and have remained in police and judicial custody till date. In its supplementary charge sheet, the Mumbai police have recorded Shilpa Shetty's statement as one of the witnesses in the case. INS report.